o'clock. 6:05, 6:10, 6:15, 6:20, 6:25, 6:30, 6:35, 6:40, 6:45, 6:50, 6:55, 7 o'clock. Thank you, dear children. My dear children, what you should do? You should follow the time management in your life to get succeed in your goal. Thank you, children. The dance show in ballad. I request our Honorable Coordinator Ma'am to address the gathering.
Good morning, children. Give a big round of applause to Aditi. That was a wonderful performance. And class 3rd B also, along with the teacher. That was a very good assembly. So with this week we are ending the theme on goal setting. So did you learn something about goal setting, children? So do you have a goal? Goal. Okay, so what is one thing that is very important to reach your goal? Time management, okay? Keep practicing, never giving up. Okay, once you've fixed your mind on certain things, you should never give up. Even though you come across a lot of failures, don't deviate from the path. You should always focus on your goal and keep moving forward. Yes? Give a big round of applause to all the classes that concentrated on this goal setting team. Thank you.